Do that again?
Look, the train didn't run.
No! Ah! Okay, drive the train. Drive the train.
Hit him?
Yeah, drive the train. Fast. Oh no!
Take that.
Do what?
I said take that because he's slow. He can't really take it. He can't. I need another ramp. There's another train falling in. Look, the bad train is falling in.
Crash.
Please. Let's not again. Oh no, I'm gonna lose the race because that car's on me. I'm gonna lose. I'm gonna be in second place. I'm gonna be in second place. You lose. You have to be in first place. Get off of me!
I didn't head split him. I don't even know how it happened. I think it's probably his armor. But still, he was being pinned down and you didn't like it, so you did all your force.
Put a beer bottle in there.
What?
Put a beer bottle in to make the train go super fast.
The blue border is gonna be big.
No, the beer bottle will make it go fast.
Let me see.
The choo-choo train runs off of beer. Does the train run off of beer?
It goes back.
What? That's what beer does to the train?
Yes.
How about this beer?
Oh my god.
Is it light or heavy?
Right.
So will the train go faster with the beer? No, you gotta lay it on the side. Yep. There you go.
It's going slower. It's going slower.
No, it's going faster. Because the beer runs off of beer, the train runs off of beer, right?
Yes, but what happens if that falls?
I don't know, find out. Go super duper fast. Go 100 and find out if it's gonna fall off. Oh, it hit the rock, huh?
It's gonna be out of control, right?
I don't know. We'll have to find out, huh?
Yank! Look at the little one in front of the train is yanking it.
It is, huh?
Hey, pick up your towel.
It wants to pull it over. Oh, every time it hits, every time it's going backwards. Right?
Yep.
Oh, that was too faster! Can't do this. Hit the rock! Robin, if it went out of control and it fell all the way down here.
Oh, you spilled my beer!
I win!
What? You what?
I win!
You win?
You lose.
I lose?
You said
Because you knocked my beer can off the train?
yes.
You're lucky it's empty, huh?
I'm gonna win.
Or am I lucky because it's empty? Okay, you better go super duper fast.
I am going to. It's at 100.
100?
It's 137. Ooh.
Oh!
Wow.
You crashed the train!
Uh-oh.
What? Oh, that's okay. But look at you did to my train! You broke it!
No, I didn't. You said broke.
You didn't broke it? Did you break it?
No.
Did you crash it?
Oh no, the train.
Turn the, oh, you got the power off. You can get it back on track. You know how to get on track. Right? The front wheels are not on the track yet.
Front wheels.
You might have to.
Why do diesels wheels have to be covered?
Because there's diesel locomotive. You got the diesel locomotive on the track, right?
What?
I don't think you do. The diesel locomotive, the front wheels are not on the track yet, okay? So you still need to straighten out the track on the diesel locomotive, buddy.
Look, he's hurt.
Ow, does he need a Band-Aid?
Yeah.
Nope, your wheels are derailed.
Derailed?
Yep, your wheels are not on the track right.
The diesel or sorry, the diesel. Oh, the
Yeah, and the little one too. But the diesel locomotive is still not on the track right. How old are you?
5.
No, look at the phone. Say it. How old are you? Say it loud.
How are me?
No. How old are you?
5.
And I'm a train engineer.
I'm a train engineer.
Look like you might got the train.
You're vlogging?
Yeah. Oh, you got that on the track. Good. You got the wheels of the locomotive on the track right? Yep, you do. Huh? Go drive it.
Hey, the little one.
Drive it. Let's find out if you got the wheels on.
This one hit your phone.
Yeah, that's okay.
It's me.
Drive the train now. Oh no! You're gonna spill my beer again? Oh, you did a good job. You got it on the track right.
I thought the beers would hit your phone.
No, not this time.
Look, Kelly. Look, Kelly. Look at this. Watch this. Watch it when it falls.
Will it fall this time? Oh yeah, it fell again, huh?
Wait, let me see. Put it all the way here.
Man, how many times are you gonna keep spilling my beer? Uncle Aaron will never get drunk again. There are no beers left for me to drink anymore.
I don't need to get drunk.
What?
That's why there's beer signs.
The beer side. That's good. Okay, what do you have to say about this whole fun you're having?
I can't.
No, turn around, dude.
Now.
I'll come to you. So what do you got to say about this whole outdoor choo-choo train? Crashing it, smashing it, derailing it. And what else did you do to my trains today? Did you break a couple of them?
No.
What do you mean?
Yes, because.
Yeah. And your little brother did. Your little brother crashed them too today, huh?
Wait, he crashed them?
He crashed them really good. Did your little brother crash them really good today? Yeah, we got a couple broke, huh? But you know what? Are we still having fun? Look at me. Look at me. You still having fun? Say it.
I love fun.
Yeah. Awesome, dude. Say bye, YouTubers.
Bye, YouTubers.
Next time
Next time
on our next channel,
on the next channel,
we're gonna have more fun.
more fun.
Crashing. What?
Crashing
Trains.
crashing
Trains?
in trains
Outside.
outside going fast.
Yeah.